Hey there, Mr. Know-It-All, the lead swing trading analyst trader at Swing Trade Pros, the #1 swing trading and bot community in the world. And I genuinely want to help you make your mark in the thrilling world of swing trading cryptocurrency. I've been trading since 2017 and I've taught myself many different trading strategies, patterns. I'm known for the falling wedge pattern, as you guys might know. I've dedicated my life to mastering these types of structures and patterns, and now my goal is to impact the lives of 1 million of you. You heard that right. My goal is to impact 1 million people this full cycle. Let that be you. Cryptocurrency markets can be a roller coaster ride, full of ups and downs. But through swing trading, I've discovered a strategy that can truly make a difference. I've poured countless hours to studying the intricacies of falling wedge patterns, rising wedge patterns, you name it, and it has become my area of expertise. Here's the thing. I genuinely want to see you thrive in this market. That's why I've made it my mission to impact 1 million of you. I want to provide you with the tools, insight, and support you need to navigate this exciting but challenging landscape. Swing trading is not just about technical analysis. It's about understanding market psychology and developing disciplined risk management strategies. I'll be there to guide you step by step as we identify different types of patterns and structures and seize profitable opportunities. Together, we'll build your confidence in trading skills, ensuring you're well prepared to face the twists and turns of swing trading. Believe me when I say that I genuinely care about your success. That's why I'm inviting you to join me, Mr. Know-It-All, on this transformative journey. Let's make the most of this full cycle and work towards your financial freedom together. You'll find all my links in my bio. Reach out and let's dive into this world of swing trading. I'm here to support you and your family and guide you every step of the way because your success matters to me. Together, let's make a real impact and achieve trading success.
What's up, everybody? We are currently in a live leverage trade on Moonriver with an entry of $22.35. We're up over 100% on this entry. We're looking at a major pennant that has formed on this chart, and we got an entry pretty close to the bottom part of the triangle. This trade can take some days and some time to play out, but I'm here and let's go viral with this trade. Welcome to the bull run, guys. Who's with me? We got 5 people on the show right now. So let me show you guys the entry given to my community members earlier tonight. So I actually just said I opened a trade, and you can see the price was $22 and I think 50 cents when it started. I started talking about it. We had the 4-hour bullish divergence with the 4-hour MACD cross up here, and not too long ago this evening, around 9 o'clock, so a few hours ago, my trade. Here you go. My entry $34.6 cents. I'm still in the trade. I have no reason to get out of this trade right now, with the higher time frames confirming that a major move is coming. And I know I'm on leverage, and I made a video the other day about how swing trading on leverage is risky because shit like this can happen where you get to the top of the range and you just actually, it was probably here, and like it failed to break, right? And so but we're in this trade right now, and I think this is the actual going to be the actual breakout. It's a 163% measured move from the break of this triangle, and it's most likely going to do this move. If you go to the spot chart, you can see what it's really doing here, and this is a major breakout area for this this channel down that it's in, which if you really look at it closely, it's really just one major bull flag pattern on the chart. What's up, Drew? So you know, it's gonna hit some local resistances and pull back and go sideways and stuff before it really starts breaking ranges. But that's fine because my entry is like somewhere down here, and yes, I'm on a lot of leverage, and yes, I'm not in for a lot of risk, so I don't really care too much. Again, this will be another lesson if I don't take profit, like whatever, you know. It's really just about me proving a point to myself about how patient I am in a leverage trade without it maybe liquidating me or losing profit. So I just want to see if I can exercise this trade based off a higher time frame with it playing out. So let's see, guys. So here's what I'm seeing. I'm seeing a 4-hour stochastic cross up. Seeing the hourly in the moon already. The 15-minute is telling me maybe some downside coming short term here. So yeah, maybe a little jerk back to like 2278 or something. Maybe like a quick wake down or something. You know, something like this. Retest the range and then go type of thing. But you see how it had a fake break here and then just dumped right back in and just went sideways and then bottomed out and started its move again. So to me, that's a fake breakdown and that's a retest of the pattern, reclaiming the pattern or reclaiming the area. And so a failed breakdown and a failed breakout. So you had a bunch of ping pong here. That's why I think this next move is the real move right after that fuckery, right? So see how this goes. Who's with me in the chat? You got 6 people on the stream. What's up, everybody? What's going on? You are awesome. What's up, dude? This is going to be an explosive move, guys. Very explosive move. Because you have 4-hour divergence. You have 8-hour divergence. You can see that the negative momentum is weaning, right? So when the negative momentum weans off, you get price action to the upside. And it all makes sense on the chart, right? You can see the pattern. You're at the apex of the triangle. You're pretty much at the apex of the triangle. So I think we did it this time, guys. But you got the 8-hour bullish divergence down there. You see that on the RSI with the same low on the RSI with a slightly lower low on price, or the same low on price. It was technically a slightly lower low. We kind of almost wicked out of the structure and then whipsawed right back into the pattern. Buyers said, bears. We're about to take this thing higher, man. So that's it. We just need to get some volume on this movement. coming into the major fib level here. We need to get a break above it. Got the 4-hour squeeze to boot. Should be a nice move here, guys. The 2-hour squeeze broke. Hourly squeeze broke. Volatility is elevated. Positive momentum building on the hourly. 2-hour positive momentum building. 3-hour positive momentum building. 4-hour. Just starting to build your histogram here on the 4-hour chart. Your daily isn't showing that just yet, right? It's lagging behind the smaller timescales, but your 12-hour, okay, your 12-hour stochastics are at the bottom, man. Big windup coming here. Big windup. Your 7-hour gave a buy signal. Like I said, the 4 and 5-hour charts are in squeezes. You even got a 5-hour cross. Right? You guys seeing the you got a 4-hour plus time scale that's crossing up, man. That's gonna be a significant move. Wait till we bust above this 2320 region here. Once we do that, I think it's straight up to about 2586, and then that's the major breakout of the downsloping channel and the pennant. It's confluent. Got one person on the stream watching a live trade. That's great. UMA, massive break. Flow on the move. Broke the range. Broke the 236 fib extension. This thing's going up to 240, man. That's where she's headed. Toe, what's up, dude? Did you see Wrap Bitcoin, dude? Did you see our Wrap Bitcoin trade? We're fucking lit. Fucking lit. Yeah, I'm long Moonriver right now, dude. That's what I'm in. This trade is Moonriver long. But check out Wrap Bitcoin, dude. Talk about a breakout, buddy. Look at that candle, homie. See you later. Yes, sir. TA's fake, bro. Look at your weekly, man. Like, you break this range, dude. There's nothing here, man. Just straight to fucking the moon. $2,600. Lit. Fucking lit. Oh, stop, man. You know what, dude? You took the risk you could do, man. Don't think like that. You could only risk what you could risk, man. So you did that. It's all good. It's gonna yield you some nice gains, dude. Just chill. You'll be all right. There's always another trade, man. Remember that. There's always another trade. Here, this is another trade. Lone coin. Check this out. So this is a massive falling wedge pattern. Okay, I put a G into this one. Okay, this coin is on the Pulse chain, and this coin is liquid loans, 0% interest-free liquid loans on Pulse chain. This is going to be a big deal. This is going to be a big deal. I promise you, this is going to be a big deal. And look, you break this wedge. There's nothing here. Like, look up, dude. There's nothing here. It's just a straight candle down when this thing launched. So it's a $5 million market cap. Like, what's gonna happen? I put a G. I only put $1,000 into it because it's a very speculative play. And if I end up losing the trade, whatever, it's not gonna kill me. But the TA, look at the daily. So the daily's in the falling wedge. We broke the wedge. In your MACD, you got the triple MACD bullish divergence. So this is going to produce a pretty big move for this coin. And it gets volume, man. Look, we had $107,000 worth of buy volume today on this coin. It's a $5 million fucking coin, dude. It's nothing. It's nothing. Anyways, let's get back to the mover trade here. That's what we're live on right now. There's plenty of opportunities in this market right now. Yeah, I'm sure your bots are going nuts right now. This market's fucking stupid. CKB breaking out, man. This thing is... I should have bought this coin. I suck. Ocean. Ocean's gone. My God. Fetch. See you later. Wow. Man, look at Theta. Look at this thing. CRV, dude, get some bots on CRV right now. Look, you just broke a major weekly trend line, dude. CRV is going to the moon. CRV is going to the moon. That looks absolutely retarded on the weekly, man. Nah, dude, it's gonna go, man. It's a major DeFi platform, dude. We're in a bull market. It's different. When we're in a bear market, sure, it's gonna get exploited and hacked all day. Because that's how these protocols make money. Exploits during bear markets, during bull runs. They don't need to do that stuff. Just money comes in. Manta. This is a new coin. You should probably get some bots on it. Near is going nuts, dude. Perpetual protocol. No. Manta. M-A-N-T-A. Manta. Manta network. Yeah, this is about to break its range. How's our solar beam doing, this piece of trash? Is this thing gonna rip? We need Moonriver to fucking do something, man. That's why we're in this trade right now. At the bottom of a range. Oh, it will, dude. Oh, it will. Yes, sir. Just be patient, man. When Moonriver starts to break out, this is going to send. Look at the volume. See how it's receded? It's completely receded now. At the bottom of a range. It will, dude. It will. It's a super low cap. It's not. It doesn't get the attention that these other coins get. But this right here is telling you some things are brewing on this chart. Don't worry, bro. You're gonna wake up one day and Solar Beam is gonna be trading 50 cents. You'll see. Patience. Patience. This stuff requires patience. I ripped a lot more than 2K, buddy. I ripped a lot more than 2K. Man, how do I blow this stream up, dude? This sucks. See if we get a bounce right here off the bottom of the channel. It's good, man. My entry is right here and around 22.36 on 30x lev. Yeah, I know. I just impulsively went live because this is how I went viral last cycle. I went live on an ETH trade, and I did a 24-hour stream, and shit went viral. Yeah, so the trade when Mover was a little bit higher before, it was up 108%. I'm only on like a $200 risk, by the way. 240 risk or something. Because my intention is to swing trade this trade. We'll see how this goes. No, I don't want to trade a meme coin. But I hear you. Yeah, I think this is going to come back down to retest 2278 or something, maybe. Just this 4 hour, man, just looks so crazy. But shorter timescales are going to pull this down, then this isn't going to quite get there. If we really start to lose this channel, I will close the trade. Beautiful. Right off the channel. Come on. Bids. Right here. One minute time frame analysis here, guys, on Moonriver. What do you guys think, man? You guys think this thing is going to hold this channel? Yeah, dude. What do you mean? 134 is the breakout area, man, on that thing. This thing's going to go to fucking peg on Pulse Chain. We're going to be fucking rich. Just look. There's nothing here, bro. Nothing. $150,000. All right, well, this is a breaking small time frame channel here. See, it's teetering onto this level. Yeah, I mean, the shorter time scale is here. Well, the 15-minute, if we get some buying to come in right here, we could reverse the trend right here. If you see the volume receding here as well, that means we could be getting a move to the upside here shortly. It's not a confirmed break. Yeah, I know. That's why I'm not out of the trade yet. But we'll see, man. We'll see if we can get We got 10 minutes left on this 15-minute. If we can close back above 23.01 on the 15-minute, then we're looking good. And we're looking good. We're in a squeeze. We're in a squeeze. Remember, the longer term timescales are bullish, right? The 4-hour, the 8-hour, the 12-hour, the daily look bullish. So these little drawdowns we're getting along the way up here are really nothing. No, not yet, man. We're in this trade. We're still in this trade. We got in this trade earlier, man. 22.36 entry. Yeah, I'm up late tonight for some reason. Yeah. Tell you where we're making big bucks though. We're making big bucks off this wrapped Bitcoin trade, man. This thing is fucking lit. Yeah, but dude, just zoom out, man. Just realize even buying here is fine because, like, if this thing does complete this structure, man, this is going to be a major fucking move. Major fucking move. Here. You buy them on Pulse Chain, dude. And we're teetering right now on the spot chart. We're teetering right now around this Fibonacci level here. This 2309 level is a pretty key level to break. Okay, so to get on Pulse Chain, you got to use the Pulse Chain bridge. So depending on what chain you're coming from, I recommend using ETH because there's less fees there. So you just use the Pulse Chain bridge. So you go to bridge.pulsechain.com and then you use the IPFS bridge here, bridge.mypinata.cloud, and then you connect your Rabby wallet or whatever, and then you just bridge your ETH and you'll get wrapped ETH on Pulse Chain. And then after you do that, after you get the wrapped ETH, then you need to get and you go to Pulse X, which is the DEX. Well, the thing is, if you don't have Pulse at all, you're not going to be able to transact. You need to get some Pulse. So what you need to do is yeah, Pulse X is the DEX on Pulse Chain. Once you have wrapped Ether, I guess. I mean, if you don't have any Pulse Chain at all, you're not going to be able to pay for the gas fee when you try to convert the wrapped ETH. Oh, nice. So you have Hex. Cool. Yeah, Hex looks good. Hex is probably going to rip pretty good, man. Wow, just skating along the trend line here. Wow. This die coin looks fucking stupid. This die coin is going to go to parity on the Pulse chain. This is the native die coin on Pulse chain. So yeah, it's not even trading a half a penny right now. This is going to go to peg, which is $1. Yeah, this chart looks retarded too. Crazy divergence. Like, this thing is going to rip, man. I think so, man. It only needs to go to a 13 billion market cap to peg. That's nothing. Think about it. 13 billion in this market, it's like nothing burger. I don't know. I picked up like a few million of them like a few days ago before it broke that wedge pattern. Have a good night, dude. Thanks, brother. I'd still say this looks okay. It's like really close to the channel. Just joining the stream, man. We are in a live trade here on Moonriver. Our entry is $22.34.6. This was given in our live chat here at 9 p.m. Eastern time. How to buy Mover? Mover is on a lot of different chains. I think you can get it on MEXC. It's on Binance. It's on Kraken, on KuCoin, on Bybit. It's on really any of these exchanges. OKX, Wabi. How to donate. Ryan, what's up, dude? I think MEXC is no KYC. You could also use like a Rubik, like an aggregator. You're gonna pay some fees, but you don't have to deal with a DEX or anything. You could use Rubik.exchange, and you can launch their app. And if you have stablecoin already, you can select what you have, and then you can buy Moonriver. You can swap it for Moonriver, right? Just whatever. You can use this. You can use this service. Pretty good. I think they have a coin too. It's just nicotine, man. Yeah, so the shorter time scales here on Mover, we might end up seeing a back test at this level here, this 2278 region, if we really can't get it back above this level. I'm probably just gonna hold my trade because my entry is down here, and I'm not really expecting a 10-20% drop from here, based on the longer term timescales. Boom. Nice candle. Right back into the channel, guys. That's beautiful. Beautiful. Let's go. Fucking send it. Yeah, the worst case scenario is it comes back down to retest that support, right? If it doesn't have enough momentum. But I think it's got the momentum on the larger time scale, so we'll see. Yeah, dude, this thing is just gonna fucking This thing's just gonna fucking send, man. Like, that's why I took this trade. That's why I'm swing trading it down from the bottom of this triangle. Like this right here is this is a perfect structure in development here on this chart, guys. And yeah, I mean, buying spot here is probably not financial advice, man. But man, this is a 170% measured move on this breakout. If you get it, you saw what it did last impulse it just went on. So I think we're about to see something very similar to that when we do break out. We're not too far from a break. Like, and this can just go. Like, it can just go. If volume starts to come in right here, once we get above this fib level, man, I think it's blue skies ahead. There's not really a lot of trading that happened in this range. A couple tests, right? Yeah, dude. KSM, but you know, so they're related, right? So KSM and Mover are related. So that's good, man. I think, and you know me, I'm sitting in a spot position on KSM from like 33 bucks on a pretty big spot position. And dude, KSM, man. You're gonna be fine, bro. You're gonna make so much money on that trade if you stay long, dude. This thing is gonna fucking do some stupid shit. This is a massive bull flag on KSM, man. It's just wicking right off the fib extension right now. It's about to do a send. Nice, dude. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm not really a big leverage trader these days. I'm mostly just in spot, but what leverage do I recommend? I don't recommend any new trader to trade on leverage. If you're a new trader, you need to learn how to trade on spot and understand what you're reading on a chart. How about that? Because you are trying to make quick money when you're leverage trading, and you are going to get greedy and you will lose all your money. So don't be leverage trading if you're a new trader. That's the best way to do it. The falling wedge breakout on the small time frame here. Beautiful. I see. Look at the line chart. You can see that this is actually a little bit off. There you go. Perfect. Wow, that is actually perfect. Look at that. Kiss him, dude. You're my video's blurry. It should be on 1K. Hang on a second. Let me see why that is. Yeah, my camera resolution is on 1080p. Perfect. What up? What up? We're in the Moonriver trade. Still in the trade, my friend. No reason to get out of it. Not yet. KSM is going to be a good trade. Yes, man. So if you understand what this structure is right here, this is a major bull flag. And it is, I mean, there's no guarantee of this happening, but if it does break the all-time high, we could be looking at a $3,600 KSM. That could happen, folks. That could happen. Could happen. Yep, definitely. Just back testing now, right? Yoshi, kind of just sitting right now. I'm basically like at my entry on this, but this once Phantom really breaks, I think this is gonna just fly. On the monthly right now, it's technically out of the channel. We're going to take a quick commercial break. I'm going to go grab a drink. I'll be right back. But you guys should listen to this. Should listen to this if you are new and wanting to join me in these trades. Hey everyone, you've landed on the Swing Trade Pros website here. My name is Mr. Know-It-All. I've been an active swing trader for over 7 years. I want to welcome you guys all to the community here. My goal is to change 1 million people's lives with swing trading and trading profitably. This is a skill set you can learn here with the service. You go check out the testimonials in Discord. You can see lots of folks talking about the service and how the trade calls are super profitable. You can check Profit Gains channel. I think we've amassed around $150,000 worth of profits in the last year posted in the Profit Gains channel just from other users and traders in the community. I'd like all of you guys to check out the 14-day free trial. A coupon code will be pinned in the comment section below this video, so check it out. And we'll take you through 14-day free trial process here. You come down to the website, save 44%, and claim your 14-day free trial. Click on that. And that will take you to the Swing Trade Pros website where you can click sign up now. And after your 14-day free trial is up, on the 15th day, you will get billed, full disclosure of that. And I appreciate you guys all joining the community. It will change your lives. Give it a chance. A lot of these swing trades can take months. One of our biggest trades of the year last year was INJ. We took an entry at $1.60, and well, that asset's trading over $35 today. So that was one of the banger trades that I pointed out. My strongest pattern that I trade that I'm known for is the falling wedge. I call it the falling node wedge pattern. Lots of divergence on these charts, and that's what makes these patterns really play out. And you guys are going to be able to really learn that in the service, and I really hope you enjoy it. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see you guys on the charts. Yo. When do I think the BTC cycle is going to top out? It's a good question. Well, right now we're in a monthly breakout. Oh, I think we're you look carefully, we're technically in a monthly breakout, and these moves, this was 214 days to a top. We're going to count the first top here. This was 150 days. So that means we're going to do, if you notice, it's about 50 days less every cycle. So the cycles are getting quicker. So we'll say about 100 days from now could be a top. So yeah, like 100, I don't know, maybe 122 days. We could find a top, a local top. I think we got about 3 months of action here. What I think. Top is unlimited. Top is unlimited for Bitcoin, yeah. But there's gonna be a a massive correction at some point. But altcoins can just go. I think is there a good indicator? Yeah, you should check out our indicators. Go to swingtradepros.com. I think our next target is like 92K. We'll just say 100K. I would say one of the best indicators is to use tether dominance. No, I'm not saying that the top is going to be 100K, but I think we'll hit 100K. We might pull back there. We might pull back down to like 70K or like 60K. Yeah, it did. Making lower high, right? Yeah, I think this is going to be fine. I'm not going to exit this trade because I don't really care about the couple $100. I wanna see if I can manage to I mean, I guess that's only like a 2% move down to my entry, basically. I mean, if this thing can't really break this, it's got to at least go test 2350. No, I mean, my stop's in profit, dude, so I don't really care what it does, you know? I don't think this thing is actually really out of this channel. There you go. Looks pretty good. Something like that, based on the momentum. All right, boys. I'm falling asleep. Hopefully this trade pans out. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Have a good night, everyone.